This is a painting by Alfred Rethel. It's an industrial town in Wetter, the first industrial town in Germany, and a man, entrepreneur called Harkort. He actually built the first industrial factory producing machinery, and so this town in the Rhur area became a center for industrial education. This is a painting from 1834, and this is where industrialization began in Germany. This painting is iconic. It's very important. And Harkort is the man who actually Harkort. He became a center figure that has his name on a lot of different things in this area, because he educated people in this new way of living, that is living and working for industry.